To find the IFSC code in Google Pay, start by opening the Google Pay application on your mobile device. Once the app is open, you will see the home screen with various options. Tap on the profile picture or icon located at the top right corner of the screen to access the settings and other options. From the list of options, select the bank account for which you want to find the IFSC code. If you have not added your bank account to Google Pay, you will need to do so by following the prompts to link your account. After selecting the bank account, you will be taken to the account details page. On this page, you will see various details related to your bank account, including the account number and IFSC code. The IFSC code is usually displayed below the account number. Alternatively, you can also find the IFSC code by searching for it on the Google Pay help page or by visiting the official website of your bank. Most banks provide the IFSC code for each of their branches on their website. You can search for the IFSC code by entering the name of your bank and branch. It is essential to ensure that you enter the correct IFSC code when making transactions or setting up your bank account on Google Pay. Entering an incorrect IFSC code can lead to failed transactions or other issues. By following these steps, you can easily find the IFSC code in Google Pay and use it for various banking transactions. Remember to always double-check the IFSC code to avoid any errors or issues. Finding the IFSC code in Google Pay is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following the instructions outlined above, you can quickly and easily find the IFSC code for your bank account and use it for various transactions.